Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the brand new JXR roof spoiler. This goes on the rear of the car up by the roof. And this is one of those amazing JXR products that costs you almost nothing relative to OEM, but it's an exact OEM spec. And we're going to get this installed on my red 2022 WRX. I've always wanted one of these, and I decided I was just going to do it because it was cost effective, and I'm even going to do it with my vortex generator. I did test fit it. I think it looks actually pretty good, and again, it's like OEM spec, OEM quality. The only thing we got to do is apply 3M tape. Now the reason why it's not pre-applied is because it's better for the owner to choose how much 3M tape they want to do in case they ever plan on taking it off. But otherwise, we're going to get this installed in the car. It takes almost no time. Let's get it on the car. It'll be linked in the description below, and we're gonna do some beauty shots at the end of the video. Keep an eye out for it. So we're gonna go the route of minimal tape, just because I've done this before and it will hold with almost nothing, but it will be a pain in the butt if I ever wanna take it off. So we're gonna go very minimal on the tape. So the kit does come with the 3M tape. So you have everything you need to install this. You do want to clean your back window before you get it installed, and then just do a quick test fit so you know exactly the gap that you should have on each side if you're doing this on your own. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the 3M tape backing on both sides, and then we're just going to get it installed. It's super easy to install. Just be cautious before you push it down, make sure it's in the right fit, and we're going to go ahead and do that. And there we go, we're all installed, but let me show you how strong it is for a second. And yeah, it's not going anywhere. I can shake the car, it's not going anywhere. Looks pretty good. Before we get into B-roll for it, again, that was an easy install. It took maybe 5 minutes. A super affordable part if you wanna make a big difference on your car. Again, I will prove it to you with some of the B-roll that we're about to see, but I will have a link in the description below. They are on sale. I have a discount code for you if you wanna use it for JXR Performance. It helps the channel out, it helps us grow. This has been a product that I've been working on for some time for you guys, and it's something that I've wanted to try. So if you're interested, give it a go, and I promise you won't be disappointed in the quality. And here we have it. I wanted to do a walk around instead of like the traditional B-roll with music, because I want to show you guys some aspects of this rear spoiler that I think really stand out. So I know I've doubled up with the vortex generator here. My intention is actually to do a gloss black vortex generator with maintaining the gap. I actually think it looks nice. When you step away from the car, it adds some nice gapping on the edge. I'm actually pretty pleased in person with how it came out. I would say, like, if I were to change this, I'd take off the vortex generator and leave the rear roof spoiler, because it goes really well with the duckbill. There's a lot of flow right there. And I really think just in general, it's come out quite nice. It doesn't obstruct any view. It adds a lot more depth to the car. It certainly makes it more aggressive. And I think it's something that's unique. It's also not very expensive to do. I mean, look at that profile right there. It adds so much to the rear of the car. It really adds some texture. It adds some logical flow. It adds some flow from the shark fin, another like basically aggressive attack arrow, and then same here. I just think it's come together quite well. Obviously not a whole lot of 3M tape. It's held on for a long time. You don't have to use very much. And guys, that is what she looks like. Really nice clean finish. Obviously so much gloss that we're getting a lot of reflection off of it. But dang, does this look good? I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. There's a discount code there too. Everyone you order supports the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.